Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about when Tangerine Bank pays interest on savings accounts. Understanding how and when your savings grow is crucial for effective personal financial management, and Tangerine Bank follows a very specific routine for interest payouts. Tangerine calculates interest on its savings accounts on a daily basis using the closing balance of your account for each day. The annual interest rate is divided by 365 to determine the daily earning amount. When it comes to actually depositing that money into your account, Tangerine pays out accumulated interest on a monthly basis. Typically, this payout happens right around the end of each month, adding your earned interest directly back into your savings balance. If you leave your monthly interest payout in the account, it starts contributing to your overall balance, meaning the next day's daily interest calculation will factor in those new earnings. This structure provides a steady and predictable rhythm for tracking your cash growth over time without any complex holding periods or yearly waiting limits. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.